Hey, my Legion, how y'all doing today? I'm here today to review another thing from Ollie's. Their slogan, good stuff, cheap. And I've heard of the brand Oberto before, but I've never seen it in this. Oberto factory outlet and factory outlet store and deli, spicy sauce, snack sticks, sausage stick ends. Irregulars, and not to be confused with North Avenue irregulars. Um, like I said, their price right there, $14.99, but our price, the price always is $9.99. Hope you can see that. And it's a resealable bag, which is really good, and it's a pound. I like the other ones. These look like they're... Oh, these have a good scent to them. I've had... Oberto, I wish if they had more stuff like that, I would love to try it. One of the... I mean, they're just a regular pieces and stuff. There's two pieces right here. These are really good. Wow. I'm going to taste some spiciness on them too. I like these. I mean, so it comes out to $10 a pound, where like that West County, God, what the hell was it called? The one market place in Ohio. They had a big place sold smokies and beef jerky. That was like $20 a pound. It was expensive. $1 a pound is pretty decent though. I love these. These are 10 out of 10. Not that I need any more snacks or anything like that, but next time we go to Ollie's, I'll see if they have any different flavors and stuff like that. They could. I said no hurry though, because I really don't need any snacks. I know one friend's supposed to send me some too. So, hope you like this video. Bye. Till next time, please. Take care, my Legion. There we go.